Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make Pinterest account public. So making your Pinterest account public can help you connect with a larger community that shares your interest. With a public account, your ideas can inspire others and you can discover new trends and ideas too. The process is the same on both iOS and Android devices, but it will also work on your PC. Let's open our Pinterest application and make sure you are logged into your account which you want to make public. The next step is click on your profile picture in the bottom and we will get to the Pinterest profile. The next step is to open our settings and we can do that by clicking on these three dots in the top right corner and then simply tap on this settings. And when you are here you can see these options. You just have to simply tap on this profile visibility. Third option, tap on it and now you can see these two options, private profile and search privacy. As you can see, when your profile is private, only people you approve can see your profile, pins, boards, followers and following list, and the search privacy is hide your profile and boards from search engines. So if you turn this on, your profile will be hide, so this option will be enabled for you as well. So you just have to disable it or turn it off. So make sure to turn these both options off. Your Pinterest account will be public and you will be able to connect with a bunch more people now. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.